you make it sound daunting because it is daunting, right? And there's also a tremendous upside of doing it. We've seen organizations just shift the whole process, but it takes a lot of strong leadership from both QOC and from the partners. It's not something that people just get to say, hey, QOC, come here and do this. It's a true relationship. Can you talk about that relationship and maybe like examples of things that have worked really well as we've embarked on a large ERP or even a mid-size or small like change? Like what were some of the things about the relationship that worked well?
Well, I guess from my perspective, it's a partnership. We call it a partnership because it truly is. And partners need to have open and candid communication with each other. So that communication starts with goals for the project, also budget. QOC we have plenty of work. We're a growing company.
Sure.
So we're not in it just for the revenue we're going to get from this project. We want to understand how to best meet your needs. So there are no blank signed checks in the world that I'm aware of.
Love it.
We want to know, like, okay, what are your boundaries? How can we make this partnership successful? And if you have a hard stop on something, we can be just as vigilant with scope creep and, hey, this is out of scope. Let's not do it. Let's make sure we get you live with what you need right now. And if you want to do a phase 2 later, we can swing back around and do that. But I guess there are a million ways to go wrong, but starting off with open, transparent communication, I think is critical.